Hi YouTube, it's your girl Fire Flames, and I am back with another video. I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but a lot of things have changed. Obviously my hair is red now and my daughter's in the background, but I'm gonna be reviewing this blow dryer. Can you read it? Is it good? This blow dryer and this flat iron today. And the little products I'm gonna be using is, if I can reach it, this Blue Magic grease to, you know, protect my hair, because that's all I've ever used to do my hair with. I haven't found another product that I like, but sit baby. Also, the item that she has in her hand I will be using, but I will show you when I get to that. I'm not gonna take it from her because she's gonna be upset. But yeah, let's get into this. I'm gonna stop talking now and blow dry my hair. Yeah. So right here is the blow dryer and the pieces that they come with. It comes with like a little targeted mouthpiece and a diffuser piece. And right here I am parting my hair. This is pointing out my breakage from postpartum, like after I had my daughter. And right here I'm just brushing out my hair and trying to get it to where I can hold the brush and blow dry. Here I'm going to take a little dime size portion of this Blue Magic on my finger and just rake it through my hair and then comb it out so that the ends are tangled so I can brush through it easy, because before it was kind of hard. Here I'm showing how different like shades of pink there is in my hair from the bad bleach job. Okay, so last night I was trying to do my hair, but my daughter kept crying, so I had to stop today. I blow dried my hair off camera, and this is the outcome. I think that the blow dryer could have got hotter because, as you can see, my ends are still kind of curly or like poofy, but my mints are straight. Maybe that's my fault, I don't know, but I feel like it could have gotten hotter. I also would have liked it better if it had came with an extra comb and not the pieces that it came with, like, sorry, my ring light just fucking broke. Not the diffuser and the little pressured air shit, or maybe I should have used that. I don't know. Next time I'll try some stuff. Meme sissy, she's learning how to stand. So we're just gonna take a section in the back of my head, like that big. I'm gonna put the rest up. Section, I'm just going to take a comb and just comb through it, get all the nuts, separate it with the other piece on the ear like that, or if it stays like that. And I'm going to take a little tiny bit of the grease. Just grease my hair like that. I'm gonna turn on my flat iron because I definitely forgot to do that. Turn the heat up. At 450's kind of high, but I'm gonna do it. This piece fell off my ring light, so it's like bright as shit, isn't it? Turn it down some. Hi, mamas. Hi, mamas. Okay, that's good. So, I'm just waiting for it to heat up. It's out pretty fast. Got my hair straight. Oh, that's crazy. Not even gonna lie, I haven't shaved my hair in so long. This is so unusual to me. That is straight. I haven't done this in years. Oh, I like this. Oh, this is a great flat iron. Oh, I like the fuck out of this flat iron. Yes, and it was only like 20. What was this one? I think it was like $19. This is a great flat iron. Okay, now we're gonna split the section again, so it's 2 pieces. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of grease. Comb through. I love the straightener. Mimi, sit baby. You're gonna take a little bit of grease, put on the piece, comb through. I have to switch hands. I'm gonna switch hands. Okay, so I can't do like that. It's really pretty. And when I do my hair, I like to do the back bottom pieces and then build up the sides. It's easier for me to see because I don't have a mirror in the back of me. Don't mind my hairy armpits, okay? I'm gonna address those soon. They will be done. here is the final look. I wasn't able to get a video, or I lost a file of what the final look was, but here's some videos that I took on Snapchat of what the hairstyle looked like at the end. Thank you for watching and come back soon. Bye. Mwah.